Do you want to create an AI image on Twitter X? You can make image on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create an AI image on X using Grok. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the Grok option from the bottom navigation bar or side menu. This will open the Grok AI chat interface. Once the chat screen opens, tap on the message box at the bottom. Here you can enter your image prompt or idea. Now, type a detailed description of the image you want to create. For example, you can describe characters, backgrounds, colors, styles, or objects. After entering your prompt, tap on the Send button. Grok will process your request and generate an AI image based on your description. Once the image appears, you can view, save, or share it directly on X. You can also generate more images by editing your prompt or asking Grok to create a different style.